Hello everyone, my name is Aisha and I'm the Learning and Heritage Officer here at Winchester Cathedral, and I'm going to be showing you how you can make a beautiful paper tea light holder that will go with our Light of Hope installation. So the way I have started is I have drawn on an A4 piece of paper my pictures, so these are my decorations for my tea light holder, and then I cut my paper down to be a square. Now you can do it the other way around, it doesn't really matter, but you need to make sure that your piece of paper is a square. So mine has been 20 centimetres by 20 centimetres to make the biggest square that I can out of an A4 piece of paper. I have then used the instructions, which shows you step by step how you can make your tea light holder. So there are 9 stages altogether to show you how to make your tea light holder. So using the instructions, I'm going to start with my square piece of paper. So keeping my paper facing up the way, so my drawings are facing up, I've then folded my piece of paper horizontally. And now I'm going to fold it vertically in half as well, so we make a smaller square. And it's important to make sure that all your sides are pressed down firmly. Then I'm going to fold my piece back out again. And now I'm going to take the corner of each square that's been made from my folding and bring the corner into the middle of my piece of paper. And I'm going to fold it down at each corner, like so. And this is why it's important for your piece of paper to be perfectly square, because you want all of the points to meet up properly in the middle. So now we have my square with all the corners folded in. So that's up to step 4. We're now going to step 5. Once all the corners are folded in, turn the piece of paper over again and fold all the corners into the center. So all the corners here are now going to go into the center. So we're going to put them in like this. And take your time doing this to make sure it's as accurate as possible. So there we go, we've got our square with everything folded in. And now what we're going to do is take each corner that we've folded in and we're going to fold them back like this. And now we need to turn our piece of paper over again and fold back the corner flaps. So this bit is a bit tricky. So you've got these parts here that now need to be folded back to the corner like so. So this is where your drawings can now start to show through. So now that's basically all the folding done, and you're now going to use your fingers to open up the pockets and shape your tea light holder. So you're getting your finger underneath these flaps and just sort of pinching to make these corners stand up, so make them 3D. Now you can do that by making a little fold like that, or you can just pinch them, it doesn't matter. You're just making sure that these little segments stand up, like so. And that is how to make your tea light holder. And then all you need to do is place a battery-powered tea light in the middle of your paper tea light holder. So this is the final product. This is my tea light holder that you can see in my hands. And I haven't lit my candle because I don't have a battery-powered one. But when you have a battery-powered one all ready to go, you can place it in your tea light holder and it's going to make it look amazing. And behind me, you can see our Light of Hope installation, which will be up until the new year for you to come and visit.